27 ते 29 ऑगस्ट मजगती पहिली अखिल भारतीय YMCA फुटबॉल सर्त डॉन बॉस्को मैदानार घडोवन हाडपाची आसात। त्या संबंधात फुटसाल आयोजन समितीच्या जाळवणदारांनी पणजेचे पत्रकार परिषदेत माहिती दिली। पहिली अखिल भारतीय आंतर YMCA फुटबॉल चॅम्पियनशीप 2023 गोंयांत जावपाची आसा। 27 आणि 29 ऑगस्ट मजगती पणजेच्या डॉन बॉस्को खेळामेळार सर्त जातली। भारतांतले फकत YMCA वांगड्या खातीर ही सर्त दवरल्या। तातूंत 15 पंगड वांटेकार जातले। फुटसालाचे आयोजन समितीचो अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोमसान सांगले।
The YMCA आमची जी संस्था आसा YMCA पेंजीम has been bestowed with the honors by the YMCA at the national level to host the first of its kind inter YMCA futsal tournament in Goa. So YMCA Penjim has taken the responsibility and we will be hosting it from 27 to 29. In all 15 teams from across India will be participating, and in these teams come from northeast, like as far away as Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh, Faridabad in Haryana, Gandhidham in Gujarat, 2 teams from Kerala, 2 teams from Chennai and 2 teams from Goa. So in all 15 teams are participating. And this tournament is the first of its kind inter YMCA tournament. YMCA as an organization is hosting this tournament, and with the basic objective that the message of building up communities irrespective of caste, creed and religion goes forth into the whole country. That is in short the simple message that will be propagated. It's basically the values which hold the YMCA's, international YMCA's together.
No, only the YMCA members are allowed to play.
See, this year we have started it with the format wherein you have to be, a player has to be a member of the YMCA at least in the past 6 months. So next year we will see how we can enlarge the scope of this. Whether it will be held in Goa or somewhere else, I don't know, but we have made a beginning, and from here all across the country with this tournament will be taken every year. This tournament will be held in the Don Bosco Panjim premises. From 27th of August to 29th. 29th evening will be the finals. Done the draw, and we have grouped 15 teams into 4 different groups. Each group will have 3 except the last group, which will have, each group will have 4 teams, and the last group will have 3 teams. It will be played on a league basis. So each team will get an opportunity to play a minimum of 3 matches, and the winners of each group will qualify for the semi-finals, and we will play the finals.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स आणि निखिल जल्मी।